Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting product review for you. We'll be taking a closer look at the highly anticipated OnePlus Nord 3 5G, a device that has been making waves in the smartphone market. Join me as we dive into the 5 key selling points that make this smartphone truly remarkable. Let's get started. Our first stop is the design and display of the OnePlus Nord 3 5G. As soon as you pick up the phone, you can feel the Nord series premium build quality. The phone comes in two colors, Tempest Grey and Mystic Green. The phone has a sleek glass back that feels fantastic in hand and is protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which makes it resistant to minor scratches. Also, the Nord 3 has IP54 rated protection, so you can be confident that it will be protected from dust and water splashes. Gotta say, OnePlus has truly nailed the aesthetics with this one. And there are two more features that will make you happy for sure. It's the iconic OnePlus Alert Slider and the IR Remote Control feature. This is the first time that the OnePlus series are being equipped with infrared laser control. It will definitely bring more fun and convenience to your everyday life. The Nord 3 5G boasts a 6.74-inch AMOLED display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This means that every swipe and scroll feels incredibly responsive and fluid. It is also worth mentioning that the screen supports LTPS 120Hz adaptive dynamic frame rate, where the screen refresh rate will be switched to the most optimal one to save battery life. The vibrant colors and sharp details on the screen are achieved by 1.5K resolution with 2772 and 1240 pixels, and with a 10-bit color depth you will have a more enjoyable video watching and phone browsing experience. While the specs will make you enjoy the visuals, the low blue light display certified by SGS will reduce eye fatigue. Furthermore, OnePlus has introduced HDR10+ support on the Nord 3, allowing for enhanced contrast and vivid colors when watching HDR content. It's like having a portable theater in your pocket. The display also features a peak brightness of up to 1450 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright outdoor conditions. Moving on to performance, the OnePlus Nord 3 5G is an absolute beast. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset, which is a game changer, embracing the latest and most advanced TSMC N4 production process. This process delivers incredible speed and responsiveness, ensuring that every app and game runs flawlessly. According to tests, Nord 3's CPU performs up to 42.9% better, GPU performs 58.6% better, and APU performs up to 291.5% better than the previous Nord smartphone. The performance of this chipset makes Nord 3 perform very close to OnePlus 11R, making no compromise to bring users a flagship experience in the middle price range. The Nord 3 5G comes in two configurations, 8 plus 128 and 16GB of RAM plus 256GB of memory, depending on your needs. Combined with the powerful chipset, this means you can seamlessly multitask by keeping up to 44 apps alive, switch between apps effortlessly, and enjoy a lag-free gaming experience. The benefits are obvious: fast and smooth app usage experience, instant app launches, improved app stability, and smooth gaming. No matter how demanding the task, the OnePlus Nord 3 5G handles it with ease. There's also a unique feature that is available only on Oxygen OS 13, the RAM Vita. This feature works with MTK 9000 chipset and RAM. It uses machine learning and AI to accelerate the reallocation of memory. This premium feature is available on the latest flagships like OnePlus 11 and OnePlus 11R. And there is good news for gamers. MTK 9000 with OnePlus HyperBoost engine ensures a smoother in-game experience that avoids FPS dips, stuttering and jitter. By managing the SoC to assure a target FPS, the gameplay remains fast, responsive and smooth, while the Nord 3 benefits from being notably cooler. HyperTouch engine will deliver nearly 100% touch accuracy, up to 1000 Hz touch responsive rate, 720 Hz touch sampling rate through software enhancement and 360Hz touch sampling rate through the hardware. Oh, and very good news for gamers. OnePlus Nord 3 has the largest cooling area among other smartphones within the price range, with better heating dissipation material and redesigned structure. The VC cooling area is 4129 square millimeters, which is more than some flagship models, and the total cooling area is 29,345 square millimeters. Additionally, the phone supports 5G connectivity, allowing you to enjoy ultra-fast download and upload speeds, whether you are streaming high-quality content or engaging in real-time online multiplayer gaming. The Nord 3 5G ensures a smooth and lag-free experience. Now, let's talk about one of the most impressive aspects of the OnePlus Nord 3 5G. It's the camera setup. The phone features a triple camera system developed in collaboration with Sony. The 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor serves as the main camera, capturing stunningly detailed photos and accurate colors and excellent dynamic range. The IMX890 sensor uses large 1 micrometer pixels and features optical image stabilization (OIS) for sharp and blur-free images, even in low-light conditions. This means that whether you are capturing landscapes, portraits, or close-up shots, the level of detail and clarity is truly impressive. But it doesn't stop there. The phone also comes with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 112-degree field of view. This lens lets you capture breathtaking wide-angle shots, perfect for expansive landscapes, architectural marvels, or group photos where you want to fit everybody in. The Nord 3 5G also incorporates a 2-megapixel macro lens that allows one to capture an image of the micro world, something that's beyond the capabilities of the naked eye. On the front, the 60-megapixel selfie camera ensures you can capture stunning self-portraits with incredible detail and clarity. One also will be able to produce better portraits bokeh and photos with more accurate portrayal of the subject and the background. Battery life is a crucial factor for any smartphone user, and OnePlus knows it. The Nord 3 5G packs a hefty 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts you through a full day of heavy usage. Whether you are streaming videos, playing games, or working on the go, you won't have to worry about running out of juice. But what's truly impressive is the 80-watt SuperVOOC Endurance Edition fast charging technology. With the included charger, you can go from 0 to 100% in just under 31 minutes. No more waiting around for hours to get your phone fully charged. It's a game changer for everyone on the go, ensuring that you spend more time enjoying your phone and less time waiting for it to charge. When I just started talking about the battery, I mentioned the full name of the charging technology, which is 80-watt SuperVOOC Endurance Edition, and there is a reason for that. Endurance Edition stands for long-term use of charge and battery. It is a technology that uses hardware, which is a battery and a charging adapter, and software, which is a battery health engine, to offer a reliable long-term use of your Nord 3. As a result, with the battery health engine feature, the OnePlus Nord 3 is expected to serve you twice the time compared to the competition, till it reaches 80% of its original battery capacity. The industry standard is 2 years to reach 80% of battery health, whereas it is 4 years for smartphones equipped with battery health engine. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about software and connectivity. The OnePlus Nord 3 5G runs on Oxygen OS 13.1, one of the cleanest and most user-friendly interfaces out there. Oxygen OS offers a near-stock Android experience with a few added tweaks and optimizations that enhance the overall user experience. With Oxygen OS, you get a clutter-free and smooth interface that's easy to navigate. It's packed with useful features like Zen mode, which helps you disconnect from your phone and focus on what matters. You can customize the interface to your liking, with options to change icon packs, system fonts, and accent colors. OnePlus is known for providing timely software updates, ensuring that your phone stays up to date with the latest features and security patches. Oxygen OS also offers a range of customization options, including a dark mode, reading mode, and a variety of gestures for quick and easy navigation. OnePlus Nord 3 will receive 3 major updates and 4 years of security updates, so you can be confident that your Nord 3 will stay fast and smooth. And there you have it, folks. The OnePlus Nord 3 5G is a true powerhouse that delivers on all fronts. From its design and display to its exceptional camera performance, this phone leaves no stone unturned. With its powerful performance, long-lasting battery, and seamless software experience, it's truly a top-tier device. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one. Stay tuned and never settle.